Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll guide you on how to edit a version of a campaign. A plain text campaign is an email that doesn't contain any images, hyperlinks, or formatting, such as bold or italic text. Not all email clients support HTML emails, in which case a plain text version of your campaign will be sent instead. The plain text version of your campaign is automatically generated whenever you create a campaign. The purpose of the plain text version of your campaign is to allow your subscriber to view your content even if their inbox doesn't support HTML emails. Plain text campaigns typically include a greeting message with a link to view the web version of the content you are attempting to send. The recipient of the plain text campaign can then follow the link provided to view the web version of the campaign you designed. After you have created your campaign, you may edit the plain text version. To edit it, navigate to the campaigns page. Click the Drafts tab. Click on the title of your draft campaign. Under Content, you'll see a plain text version, Preview or Edit. You have to click Edit. A window will appear. This is where you edit the plain text version of the campaign. Just note when editing the plain text version of your campaign, ensure you have a clear unsubscribe disclaimer and unsubscribe link. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.